Are you aware that countless gardeners worldwide are squandering about 80% of their valuable time just waiting for a process that ought to wrap up in mere days? You've likely heard throughout your life that transforming fresh autumn leaves into lush, dark compost demands 6 months to a whole year of constant turning, moistening, and grueling effort. We've all hovered beside those enormous heaps of brittle brown debris, a blend of optimism and raw impatience washing over us as seasons dragged on with hardly any breakdown in sight. You gather, you stack, you toil, and yet, after months you're staring at the very same brittle foliage, only a tad wetter and weightier. But suppose I revealed a hidden biological hack that's been lurking in plain sight, ready to be unleashed. Picture strolling into your backyard garden, drenching those recalcitrant leaf mounds with a pure DIY natural brew, and seeing them dissolve into thick, nutrient-packed black treasure in a sliver of the usual time frame. This isn't a toxic concoction whipped up in some soulless lab to harm the soil under the guise of helping it. No, it's a potent, untamed ecological weapon that channels the raw gut juices of the woodland floor. We're on the verge of revealing a technique so devastatingly potent, it'll demolish every notion you held about enriching soil and speeding rot. Consider the avalanche of plant debris cascading from trees each fall. Ponder how primeval woods devour heaps of greenery without anyone cranking a store-bought tumbler or dumping fake boosters. Nature harbors a fierce digestive brew, and today you'll master brewing it right in your yard with everyday items you likely have on hand. This breakthrough will shift you from idly watching sluggish breakdown to directing a furious microbial orchestra. Prepared to ditch the tortuously drawn-out old ways and unleash nature's fiercest tiny warriors. To grasp the explosive force of your soon-to-be creation, let's rewind to a pioneer literally locked away for sharing this biological wizardry with ordinary folks. Enter Dr. Cho An-kyu, trailblazing originator of Korean natural farming, a saga buried deep in ag history. Long ago, as massive chemical giants peddled the myth that only their pricey fake additives could cultivate crops or crumble organics, Dr. Cho trekked solo through pristine mountain woods, eyeing the thick, pristine leaf layers. He saw woods thriving sans accelerators, powered by a buzzing legion of local microbes. Once, he cracked an absurdly straightforward recipe to trap, multiply, and ferment these voracious forest bugs into a supercharged elixir. He shared it gratis with struggling farmers. Picture the terror gripping those corporate titans as sales plummeted to a backyard potion. Leveraging their lobbying muscle, they crushed him, deriding his revolutionary insights as backward nonsense and jailing him repeatedly to quash his liberating wisdom. They craved eternal reliance on their bottled synthetics for crumbling compost and nourishing earth. Yet truth defies chains. Those covertly brewing Dr. Cho's mix watched their tough waste heaps melt into velvety humus in days, not months, a microbial blaze devouring foliage at breakneck speed. Today, we honor this silenced visionary, seizing back the art of turbo-natural fermentation. Crafting this brew isn't just fall cleanup. It's joining a stealthy uprising against an empire that's bled your time and cash for ages. Let's zoom in through a pretend lens to witness what unfolds when this vital elixir hits a parched leaf. Seeing it will forever alter your backyard gaze. It's time to get your hands dirty and whip up this incredible living brew right in your kitchen, using just a handful of everyday pantry basics you likely have on hand. Begin by grabbing a cup of plain uncooked rice and rinsing it thoroughly in a jar of fresh water until the liquid turns noticeably cloudy and milky. This starchy rinse water is loaded with carbs that serve as an ideal lure for the invisible wild microbes drifting through the air in your home. Gently transfer that cloudy liquid to a clean glass jar. Top it with a breathable paper towel or thin cloth held in place by a rubber band, and set it aside in a warm, dark spot for about 2 to 3 days. In that short time, native airborne microbes will swarm in, devouring the starches and producing a tangy, earthy aroma, signaling the process is underway. When you spot a clear separation with a thin film on the surface, you're set for the next key step. Take 1 part of this fermented rice wash and blend it with 10 parts plain milk in a bigger glass vessel. The milk doesn't just nourish, it's a precise filter that favors the lactic acid bacteria, essential for shredding tough fall leaves. These powerhouses thrive on the milk sugars, exploding in numbers while sidelining weaker competitors. After a week undisturbed in the dark, you'll discover a dense, cheese-like curd atop the mix with a clear, golden yellow serum settled below. That's your potent microbial elixir, ready to harvest. Skim off the curds, feed them to chickens or dig them into the soil, then strain the valuable yellow liquid into a clean bottle. To keep this vigorous microbial team viable for months, combine the fresh serum with an equal volume of dark brown sugar or blackstrap molasses. The high sugar level induces a dormant state, preserving their fierce breakdown abilities on your shelf until you decide to activate them on those massive heaps of fallen backyard leaves. If this seems almost unbelievable, you're in good company. I doubted it too, until reports from everyday gardeners changed my mind. Take Sarah, an avid organic grower in the chilly northern suburbs, who revolutionized her battle with the yard's towering oaks. Those leaves are tough customers, packed with decomposition-resistant tannins that can linger unchanged in soggy piles for 3 whole seasons. Last fall, she soaked her enormous chest-high stack of dry oak leaves with a diluted dose of this homemade serum. Just 14 days on, she thrust her hands into the pile's heart and was stunned to see it had shrunk by a whopping 60%. The mound's core was steaming hot from microbial frenzy, and the leathery leaves crumbled to rich, dark bits at her touch. Then there's Marcus, who oversees a sprawling urban community garden, overwhelmed each autumn by city trees, dumping tons of yard waste. His crew once shelled out thousands to cart off about 5 tons of leaves every November, as their compost setups couldn't handle the deluge. Last year they doused their vast piles of municipal debris with a huge load of this DIY microbial booster and sealed it under a dark tarp. Just 4 weeks later, that daunting 5 tons of brittle, lifeless debris had been fully broken down by our unseen microbial team, yielding a lush ebony humus they promptly applied to all 40 of their elevated veggie plots. They slashed their trash removal costs to 0 and delivered the neighborhood's most dazzling, vigorous spring crop ever. These aren't rare lab flukes. They're ordinary folks scoring jaw-dropping practical triumphs by tapping nature's fierce breakdown prowess. Faced with this overwhelming proof, how could you ever revert to those torturously sluggish, exasperating old techniques? With this potent bio-treasure now on your shelf, it's time to rouse your tiny legion and deploy them straight onto that pesky heap of parched fall foliage cluttering your yard. Avoid dumping the potent elixir right from the container. It's too intense, and those sleeping lactic acid bacteria require a soft nudge to ignite their voracious assault on your leaves. Grab 1 lone tablespoon of your rich, syrupy inoculant and blend it briskly into a full gallon of pure fresh water, ideally rainwater, or H2O left out overnight to shed any aggressive city chlorine. This huge dilution isn't to ration your stock. It's the exact spark that shatters their sugar-induced dormancy, alerting trillions of ravenous microbes to feast. Head to your lofty stack of brittle foliage and liberally douse or sprinkle the revived brew across each layer, ensuring the leaves are thoroughly moistened, yet not sopping like a bog. Picture draping every leaf with an unseen shield of voracious native microbes, instantly gnawing through those stubborn cell walls. After saturating the full mound with this vital elixir, seal it snugly under a basic black plastic tarp to trap the surging warmth and shield from the autumn sun's killing UV rays. That shadowy, steamy space beneath creates the ideal cradle for microbial wonders, echoing the dim gut of an primordial woodland base. In only 24 to 48 hours, plunge your hand into the pile's heart. You'll marvel at the fierce warmth pulsing from countless invisible entities exploding in numbers and shredding rigid carbon bonds. No more passive gardener idly marking time. You're now the bold director of a raw, magnificent orchestra of decomposition in your own yard. Gazing at this smoldering, midnight black mass of reborn soil, you've evolved from mere grower to guardian of a timeless microbial heritage that's fueled Earth since life's dawn. You've alchemized society's discarded yard trash into supreme natural riches, just by allying with the hidden micro-forces, ruling all organic cycles for genuine sustainable cultivation. We waste years battling to cram nature into tidy, sanitized confines, resisting the very mechanisms meant to deliver stunning bounty and enduring strength. By whipping up this humble brew in your kitchen, you've shattered the costly loop of corporate soil fixes and seized a path I urge you to test firsthand. You've revived Dr. Choenkyu's profound ancestral knowledge, showing that Earth's mightiest innovations don't hail from cold chem labs but bubble up from the moist, shadowy genius of the forest bed. The rich friable compost awaiting your beds pulses with your purposeful vibe, set to yield your family's most robust, nutrient-packed eats yet. Yet past the epic yields and labor savings, this bio-adventure propels us toward a richer insight into our role within nature's grand scheme. If countless, unseen microbes can shatter our greatest challenges and seamlessly convert decay into thriving vitality in mere days under ideal conditions, imagine what other extraordinary hidden powers await our shift from resistance to partnership.